They talk now. Wetin leak to the audio. When you come finally tell me say you want marry Mama Kevin, I break down. I not go lie because I invest my 2 years for inside the relationship. I break down. I cry. I be human being and I get feelings. Say, okay. Now what you do now be that? I can't still give you 3 days. I can't give you. I give you time that day. I can't leave you. I can't give you time. After I don't come back. After I come back, I send you voice, one emotional voice like that. It me mana vie me mana pretend we are gele ya wo phone ewe hime. Yes. All what plan. Emi ya feti plan ne. Yes. When you tell me say you want marry Mama Kevin, I break down. I know they lie. Because me and you, we dey into relationship. You be like person will be say, all of a sudden, matter rest. I no go rest. Una need the explanation and I go give una. I know the rest. You hear? So me and you we dey into relationship. Where the thing, where you do what you go do with Mama Kevin, where you come meet me. Yes. I break down like person will be say, So all those times you just they lead me on as if I don't know what I go call them. And I break down. So after I come back, I send you one emotional voice like that. Maybe say, what you do me? Yes. I send you voice when I take cry. I say yes. What you do me? What you not do? Because if I not pretend like that, how you go tell no say yes? If the thing not they pay me or it finish for my heart. I send you, you send it to Mama Kevin as well, which I even tell you. That voice no way they talk about just now. What make me not delete them for WhatsApp where me and you take talk. Because I know say did like this we come. And I still take her for Mama Kevin. What's up? Where you take transfer and go give Mama Kevin. Just now. And I still take her. Because I need to pretend, say, okay, make this guy tell no, say yes. The thing already finished for Sylvia mind. If I not pretend, say I can't do what, I go tell entire your ass again, collect waiting I want collect from you. I not be your zona. When I know say yes, a day like this will come, I pretend. Eri wazi. Yahya wo me I imake ni san ro ni sani. I go pretend if you where because I know say a day like this will come. My brother, I pretend. Even I still get the audio where we call me, you, Mama Kevin will come to talk with Mama Kevin call say Sylvia. Where we will take her with ne? You know say your wife talk and say Sylvia. You where we will take kata we kun. In a way, just take kata we kun. But I later changed my mind after you break out to me say. See what Mama Kevin, see what you want do. I say I not do a girl. You say make I think I can say okay. I can't go think. After I don't think and finish, I can still meet you say okay, yeah, you can. Because if I go like that, my guy, na me lose. Okay, di may pretend, di may via way, I go take entire your ass again. I go take get access to you again. Sometimes you need to talk something, say, okay, maybe now those one be the thing we be say, make this girl, they break down that day. Yes. And as you see, send and go give Mama Kevin. Okay, you have a war on my guy. What time is you back? We je back your better. Okay, you have a war. Young Beravel, they young Beravel, or young in your Kenya make me a river. Oh, only my coming. Ege wa we sele no ya ki home we Sylvia, why we only do it answer well? My guy, bring her come anytime, any day. You just say me we leave our chat, me we leave our waiting we take talk. Just say me we leave on for there, we wa handle ba mongi. Ni me tie la dia. You just say I not get sense. Fine, yes. You dey talk just now say for some of you we want go do this one. Me connect. Emmanuel said they may be where Emmanuel die immediately before ni. Any even when. Ogo me ya me when. I beg you, my brother. You know where my gwana. My second no ya gunwe gwage wa jewiri oni. Egunwe gwan, maybe go we gwan. E Facebook na opolo ne wo ya le yo lere. E travel no here, no there, no there, no here. Eme Facebook here. Oge Facebook ogo teme no wa money. O temo sende password oge bebe ya gume. O when view no gunye we still yet where o ma we adwa yamu because this strike igbeni ni Facebook is it the logic ya ayejina. She emi wo me no la Facebook no de mi go ne o teme mi wo because of a strike e va ve even ati e no vo adwa wa mu my guy. Because it will if you want go when any small what they don't want him know the ever since for like 6 months 5 to 6 months now imago we gwan if you na ya tie bonu imu no we ya tie bonu wa imu no be say I be dey fear you because it matter on anything no can we because it usually a platform not supposed ni comment just because of you. E can no se aso ni we ba me beki iminete wa bege me we yaga comment we beki eva oke solome ya comment yo beki wa we live video to mo sori me you we I just look and say me rokpa abi yan ni wo bi ati ni e village me ma no magba me ro my guy me no man gba me we terms of way little work mo bo ogo for ko here no ma ever ya me where I don't get anybody time ya wa lazimu moto ya ri ekiniri ya wa we de e village me na o wa ni me love village me na we na time ma sha do seva onko me no we tana we ya we ni ya we ha mo we no we ro waiting day. Understand? We ya waiting ni. Oh, come hama we waiting day. Even feel boy your own to the extent na do atawe. People wey dig very cool for this life. People not they appreciate them. They brutal. They just they brutal. I become like this today. Majority of people. If they contribute, will make me become who I become today. Because I did very cool that they always step on my toes. Because if they don't do the thing, considering I can't delay at all. I mind can't be strong. I can't delay long. I learn a lot. I'm tell you where I learn a lot. Where when you know where my guy. Forget that thing. Forget. Always smart no. All let me work. Already smart no. All let me work. We almost 25 years now. Boy, I do that. Je me congratulations. Do we gele no? Nini mi no ya gbe nini ra me. Uwe se no mana ya gbelima ni ke because mahina ene wo ivi ene. Ma hino wane nne mi je ya gbera ba ma ya gbeli bi e bori bi ye here e bodo ya gbeli bi do tai ne rave we je ya gbede ni rave wese we avere do tai we no to no je we ya be gboge me avere do toni my brother na jo e saga na jo gita ayo gitono na my brother, my friend, I joke with Tono. Oh, a fait kota ayo retaye audio garo ni avie yes audio gele garo ni avie because if I not cry pretend we okay all is well you are yaki who many de gbere we meti me we when I will buwe yeah make it don't I want we here from Victor I know say you did here yes make it don't gba woman on here I have to pretend to follow you to say okay all is okay okay my brother I no care I no care akpa uma be so niwe ima so niwe kege ni ade yes what do mo reface me like that if me di audio of reface me and you know wetin happen to that one I go holiday na Italy I even concept we ma be do mi me be ni Italy ni no holiday ni me vere etu we vere do mi una be ya ha me je everywhere me ni ive mo dioni ni be ya je ke ya tai we si ya eti ga beg we ina we franki me beg we e ke ni me travel arrive summer we is a beg me ina we dey everybody we na bu me ade 2 years ni me we ya date we mi ovi me ba o pa one day e gere we ya bu me ade e begamo last year summer we ovi me ma around oti ma bo me be ya holiday we mi ovi me ba o I go holiday so beats me I wish I even get the video I do the video I even lecture people for WhatsApp say see good somebody we dey we fair when we my have a family ma in my fofo when the senior sister when no you hear me so ma bege fuare to yide eri mo wa fofo ije na me chocolate skin like that era mo wa fofo so affects me I come back from I even lecture people say I even get the video I'll post the video later I even get the video say I beg if you know say you fair try to use sunscreen and see the cream wey be say you go dey use I go post the video later I can't do my before face and after I can't do one I go come show you your real face not be iPhone face in fact if I say how me everything what you think say you get me no say me yeah you what's up in me where ya go kedere ade imagine after let me first block you I first block you before you block me when you want to talk to me ask me say who send the voice come out you block you because na 3 lie you get I block you for 2 lie the lie wey be say you take the conference me Mama Kevin and one other girl you not block me I not block you for that one. So you block me for that one. After you block me, you want to talk to me again, you won't block me, you call me, I don't even pick your call before you drop voice. When I listen to your voice, I call you. You say, Sylvia, you know what you do? You know, now I have to say, really? I don't even talk to her. I just say, really? Really? I leave you. Ever since I dey wash your back, you dey wash my back. I not talk to you, you not talk to me. So girl, na fe kwa ro very on. But ma yigbe ye ohore. If you dey do Becky saga, uri eme you way. If you dey do mommy Susie saga, uri eme you way. I don't even care, I don't even bother you. Everybody dey. It should be you can go the lie say Becky. Where we Sylvia vio, Sylvia na vio no. Sylvia vio no na vio. Really when me na work a platform ni. Wow. When me na work here home ni. Inya avie me juwe ri we vio no ma be. Inya avie me juwe we vio no ma be. Ane ya se ni ya pe ni tin. Ito ta je platform me na ife ko we gbe. Ife ko wa we gbe o ma kan we awo we ni awo wo me. Akpa wo se mi a e kedere ade. E platform no so ni ala ni na comment. Iwe because wa vi o mo no nya platform ni wa ku ipa ye bare. O egu me comment. Iwe pa ye bare. Wa oge beki okpa e mi ti a comment yi because ma be beki maka be gu ni. I ka be betray de beki na wurudu we be ni. Yes, you can't betray the Becky na rodo where we ne Becky me kina we ya report where my police. Yes. Anything we wado me brother wa viore ekenu bia ha we me 80 bia ha mo we me almost 135. Yes. It may almost 135. What that group owner for they do politics. Where all those Canada people they. That was one for they do politics. We may want to go support. We may want to go support. I beg any man they come any day. No, bother me. Because be all big piano, but I get all those one. What's happening? Imo. Guy, after we have many wages, see you na Mama Kevin. A relationship in my way, according to Yuri. Relationship, Yuri my way. Of one any. But I have to pretend to get what I want from your house. I pretend. I cry. Yes. Before I can say okay. Everything was okay. Make I come. Me mana pretend in vie. We are ma care who ni me. We are ma trust me. No trust me now. You don't trust me. Okay, he get belle, my brother. Call your personal person, he go tell you say, oh was a lie, yo. I understand. Oh boy, madam, task. Oh, this is boy, it is it, love. I say make you open everything. See, every day I wear your mommy, or do pok bane, or do quiver, or do bear, or you no solo before you do lads and no there. You understand? Or solo me to the extent where he post in a post a video. Ya send a message get where what you were ya fe kwa ye okay o ya reg be here with Facebook na okay no ma wo home na so you give my son phone na so you give my son phone in a week bola jan where one particular person they talk and say na so you give my brother if you get anything to do to send to me write my name send that to me direct okay no oga saga Becky or any major or saga Susie mommy Susie or any major why anyhow nobody they ever find this guy he go want to find person me no where me my boy any also no where he honi matter irinya we just that I wanna wa cool down keka aga wa so oge me no me gwa yegbe ya we me me go wa yegbe ya we me even if I put down where I beg I don't need all those things. I beg go my brother my friend avoid me go avoid you why avoid you everybody get wetin they do for Facebook I don't trust you with Minaji a blogger me wa here kinana re wa we e arriva e afia wo me we a Facebook now the day when I say may you open Facebook for me you know we might even not lead to naya open a Facebook now you know no we might even not say nana ki Facebook now me and you know what happen before we open this Facebook unfortunately you not be mad me nothing and my fight open you not even open now you always show me say open like this see how you take the download see how you not take the download ever since When I knew open now, you want me promoter. I know lie for that one. You want me promoter. Then we still there. But when I see and say, my way where you enough a course away I we may even send you a page even there. No be Facebook account open for your house, so no you may we are dating since 2022. You may work here date. You understand? This will not be the first time when I dey come your house. Wait, if I got support me so we say for breaking of heart, breaking my heart because inside the relationship with me and you do. Now you fuck up pass. Now you fuck up pass. You go constantly beg me. You go constantly beg me. You go constantly beg me. Now you fuck up pass. I see all the sign when I supposed to leave you. I see all the sign. But I never really get enough evidence. Wait, it should be case if you come for me tomorrow because immediately my way is na. Maybe when me hear ya the work bina. Everywhere here ga so limo we here. Yes. Everywhere here ga so limo we here. I pretend to say okay, all everything is okay. Ni me ya tete allow wa. We man trust me we are see me keg. All was planned. Everything was planned. Everything. I planned everything from the beginning. Inya we second return gbe mo go padi me ware na second return ni me na ware na wa e di plan me mana pretend ni me vie ni me we want you to do. I even give you one sweet name that time. I give you one sweet name. Oh. My brother, I did very romantic. Oh. I give this a guys. Yes, I give one guys. I dey call her Enwe. This is in Indian now, meanwhile. I dey call her Enwe. I can't give her a sweet Enwe. Yes. Me mana pretend we area is okay. Bia we me aya seti la wo why. Si so wo we gumengwa on a live video no wo we na. Wo we gumengwa. My brother, my friend, iri me veje. Me give we gu we gwa. Do again wa do ya podi o me. Again me video boy o me. Baby akpe here. Understand? But to man we kpo o me kpo well my brother. You know what it's na we my me ge wa ziri oni. Anytime no ya we me e problero. Manu we bia na ge kokobiri. Kokobiri we se no na se mi a ya la bebo na ni ya meti la owa because kokobiri manasi me a we no we tai na ge kokobiri no. Ye manasi me a me seti la owa be pa go pe a we ro mi ala owa. No now. Mi ala owa ila owa kokobiri we se o. But you know where a relationship or him where we no guys here. 2 years in me ya date well. You know now. First time in married do me well. Never also any me ga get me later on we ye deck bize. Ri deck bize. Me ma de me eva when I akpọ me ma de yo well one day. I ma de but ni me kekere na. Ni me kekere na ni ma wo me na re na be guy ute yo wa me gbi mo a. Ke on ogo nivo ute wa yo evi ma igaro ute wa yo wa me gbi mo a. We pare da vie ke evi et me ga e ma wo et ma ga je e tro nya tie. Tan ave site wo wa ni. Ba we me ga je tan ni because e va popa o igaro wa we ni mo ni no dey. You if I papa garo, we pare da vie kevi. Afternoon like this, me and my son will stroll because after on our dinner we come. We'll stroll, we'll go eat anything we want. I'll still come ask. Google map, I get one my meter. If I want to go, I put on for Google map. Central V. They carry me go Central V. Central V means it's a central. That is a busy area where beside I'll get access to buy things. Yes. Oh, ma we flex never the ma flex ma vi azio wa. You know, the greediness of worry guy now. We don't have ye Kevin, my we my gwine. A relationship in my for and is a relationship according to Hodinore Paris. A relationship in my woman or my phone. A phone very in just that me wa when we do more of be no do more of be me gazi. You still call, you beg me. You when no ya marriage me na mo we to we sure we all is well with you. You sure say you dey okay. Because all was not okay with you. Me mama we to me man no we say several times we sure we dey okay. You dey other pressures. In your way other pressure where you must do this thing. I ask you everything. Akpa we ni la if it was up wa we ye Kevin. Akpa we ni la oni. I don't see anything we relate to me. Even though say I see many picture, many video, many message where they transfer give the mama Kevin. Akpa we ma me akpa we imami owo me we. I for still carry but oh, that one not even concern me. That one not even concern me. This beast will be say me I become today. This boy nurtured me to this beast. I swear. I become like this today because of this guy. I never wanted everything. I didn't boya we saga eri. Me mate oni vi ya azivi nyana. Edori ring be saga. Me mate oni vi ya azivi nyana. I become like this today. A boy no see. All the 2 years near dating boy, I date on my way because I be person will be say relationship. I don't know how to do. I know they cheat. So all of a sudden, before they okay to break him and away, he make me God. This guy don't know anything. Oh. Before this guy go come back for this travel when he travel with Mama Kevin. So before this guy go travel come back, maybe we don't reach that 2053 or 2065 before he travel because he travel near a vaccine. Why can't tell everybody why you dey look for second wife? Don't tell me one when you tell me Thailand, huh? Why you dey look for second wife? Don't tell me one. Second option. Because on a mana iri or even in Guala, imana mi o bono na ya mi o. Don't tell me one. If no say when I go second wife. As soon as I see that guy, so oh God. I leave that one. No, he never talked to me. And a person will say I really like. Don't have me when not say when I go a second wife. Don't have me one. Why are you looking for second wife? Or why are you looking? And then he have me again nowhere. Instead of where you more hona. It could be man already dictate. We may roll where you have my way. In a way, where me a day far. Why you not look for another girl for Italy there? I no advise you. A girlfriend don't not really where okay oh I date this guy. Me advise you where no more who Italy where it should be case. Someone said to you, "Are you Kevin? We are the second girl when we tell in the bed. Make sure we no guys small girl. No be so I advise you. On your first zone my video Kevin Kagwe. You what women tie? Why go advise her? No ya more way. You know, I know advise her bad though. Because me I dey far. I just advise her say, I just advise you, my brother, my friend. Carry another small girl for Italy there. And then no matter how you wear Ije, or you wear a smallie. Ije ni me tan. What do you mean advise you when no ya small girl we may no say when I go lo ho we may no see. Beg me gwan ri me veje. Me wa we do you no na ya reply wa we okay oh brother, my friend. You know me gwan ni gafe ko wa ro very on. ege awa be sene no we me time me ege awa be sene no ya me time me e pitije me gwe we do mate yes everywhere mat do mate wa go we family we ya fe mo be ma be me piche no be saro e ti viola den me ave do mat yes now your younger sister be WhatsApp me ma block oh because I don't really be after to the essence I was beginning to think we be na no quick we ni delete because e me was we I we in we abie ho gbe ne yi kare mu dai so our relationship no work I let go. As your younger sister can me we ya stop agun di egbege or di do egbegun di ma ye bi to egbe. The last call where I take talk to your younger sister, me and that my friend we did Germany. Now we got that talk to her that day. That was the last time. It did my WhatsApp. Sometimes I'll post something for WhatsApp status. She go view it. She go see post. I'll go view it. I never write her one day say hey. I don't want to write her post. I just leave everything go. I not talk to you, nothing. You say you help me grow my page. How? A page me may say 3K with my way we ga agwe. Eke family this thing ya grow a page ni. Initially be may tell you more anything no concerning Edo cyberspace. Me may tell more. I just deal with the KO family. I just deal with them. Well, any I drop a video, more. Initially, be make a move before you can do it. The constant you can do it where it was boring over there. Everybody did. What you way move now? Where he committed a platform a Becky. That's what you always do. What you way as a guy who only not relate with attitude because the woman go comment for don't. Prince platform or a person follow you problem if you not break up problem you go come dey if anybody break up with you do we make ka gba okoto we gbo mani immediately one you go come carry torch carry lighter carry anything or carry boat to take dey find the person dey go the platform in over la veine the platform in over la veine but so ema we something funny with platform yan he said he comment he said he gear I go just the laugh of my own a platform be key opa he said he comment yi oh no who ye solo mo we uye solo me we wa hia se de e message gibeki wari eva gibeki uri ha gun wa hia se de o se beki no o se initially everybody was thinking we a time of ma beki gele do ya date gele ya lawo wa o we that ke January we gwimegun uyere hotel we gwimegun before you come carry that one room. So the we are one room. We are gba oge se. We are gba oge sha because male one day, maton one day. One me agbe me veni you why you bought type you. I'm hungry. You understand? Even if je sister no re odoni vi mire. You understand my brother? Ya waro veni now. We go we met now as a mature traditional guy kawaro we na we gumegun me give gu we gun mo na we gumegun me we gu we gun I beg I want sleep. I read comments I don't read that one. France make you open everything. UDTZ love. You don't know say Sylvia Love na still my name. I know now. You know how many fake accounts where they follow that guy when I know. You know how many. To the extent I begin to open fake account they follow this boy. They look for trouble, they go. Yeah, what boy we saga never or WhatsApp, our complain. Our complain. One. I begin to open WhatsApp. I begin to open fake account. They follow. I begin to open fake account. They follow. Who not find me. They send message to who not send me. If I see anybody will be say they sagaran for comment section, I go use fake account. I just sit down one day say, "Oh, who your bavezo? Oh, kamena." If you follow this guy, you go let what you know you never do before for a hand. How to throw people, how to find who not find you, you go learn everything. It take by the grace of God for you to come back here. I just want day on my own. Or see me now. I avoid this guy. Esaga no roto now. Mommy let Lord lady now. Imamu. If this guy body start to the pepper, yeah, like platform me Becky. And any message, any video near ya sending message, yeah. This lady way dey Paris I don't forget her name. Any video, I go come blog her. And he consider they see me for one platform, OTT or something like that. He consider they see me. So it's last week when he consider throw man go that the person I don't even know get the platform. They always go there, go they carry video, all those stuff. So as I look and say I don't still reach 30K. The woman where they do the content will be say I go they carry. He never even get followers. So as I enter the platform, the woman never get followers. What thing I need to do? Anytime they carry the woman video, I go make sure say I tag the woman. Immediately this boy say I they tag this lady. I don't know whether na woman voice now I see for the platform. Imagine this small girl, no? I don't know whether na lady, but with her voice you will know say just na mature woman. Immediately this boy see me say I they tag the lady. If you want trauma to that lady, I mean you emo video when you the bunny your dog boy. You wait there inside darkness. I'm fine. Good morning, sir. You wait there inside darkness. Immediately you just see me say I dey carry that woman video. It begin to do like that. Or Maggie make it laugh me. Because say Mama Susie area video you told me the ne. Ne. Or Maggie make it laugh me. He find me. This guy. Again, I said, Ogwagwalo mavi na otutu na roye bisi. You go make sure, you know, if you dey pick beans, you go make sure say all the hands where they inside beans, you pick and commot. This guy, he sabi look for person trouble one way or the other. He go dey find you. He go dey find. So I just say, when I look and say these things of Mommy Susie, I just do the thing. I just do the thing to say, no, where. I foresee say that go give that bros with they Germany. That brother with they Germany. Ambassador. I don't forget the bros name. My ego long. It go long. As far as I say this guy begin to dey poke me, I go start. And that's why I go dey. The thing long. Bros, I got meya wealthy. I for still say that go give that bros with the Germany. I for still say that go give her. But it man come say he go Lagos. Or when ya tie boy, you say ni man ya mwe bogbe. Or not when you mwe koni, you say ni man bother. But as a woman supporting woman, I say that go give that my beautiful mommy. No, ya make use and defend herself where you ma we na hana. And I verse for Mommy let Lord lead. I still verse for now. That time Mommy let Lord lead at why lad. And besides, as I see talking for investor platform yesterday, say Mama let Lord lead. You hold this particular two people an apology. You owe Mommy Susie apology. You owe that bros. Ambassador apology. You hold your two apology. because the lie was so. Which I even come inside WhatsApp where on everybody for the talk come talk say, but this thing where this guy do so where the lie give Mama Susie so where no ya more by Susie na Emma. What your wife talk? Oh, how when I want your money, Susie, okay to work. I get the audio where your wife say they talk on well okay Susie not to work Susie win. And your pocket can you everywhere or why it mommy Susie buy where Susie win ye mark me call. But say look as na saga work pull over here. Nah, my brother. So everybody just say good morning, my love. What's up? Don't do my live video, eh? So brother, say you know, when I'm move, since when I'm maybe move, I mean, I still believe say from today, henceforth, we know where even we may understand. But then why you na do we voice. Ni mai we ya gossip or voice ni send igwe ya avie because emota no e mai we date who breaking the heart ivie yo yes ina we okay irikun iri we think ene na de gbe buwe ade na we ya yikun because me ni gwalo me mana pretend lelo we are kiru we are kiro ni me ya la we are trust me so I pretend I plan everything. I plan everything because me man plan you know go trust me where trust me when we care who me we to be see me you when we travel. Understand? Anybody will get anything to do with that guy. I just for now good though, for now good. Before na curse or before na do anything. Wakakabore who wage do why anything no relate with a boy now. I just talk my own. Before na curse. Before na do anything. Well ogagele wakakabore who wage. If this de omana na hana do why me anything or one no daji because a guy na nyemana do pe voice me ni nerere ni toje ni eri to almost eri do pe and me no man no go be smart e me must to send them no women e must to send the lads so before una dey swear before una dey say again ni mana ro was ni mana guye gwa wakabo ya re huwa re ne duwa ma send anything ena do ate buke jo keke ma so ni won ro but I just dey talk my own general talk no wakabo ya re huwa re Omao, my brother, my friend. Baba, why are you? Italy. Well, see that way when you talk, not truth, oh, not truth, not truth. This guy they do one particular thing. What be say if he do you the thing, your leg will they shake for ground. Why not go come out? Yeah. Now be the thing, oh. That one way they talk say that's why I give my baby. My son no be evil baby. Fine, he's still small. 10 years no be baby again. Yes, I have a son. I'm a mother of 10 years old. Yes. But only una be ya oh me na be ya mi o ge ba me ala lo ni be ya la lo Italy. I give my son phone. I give my son phone. Ah, you know give my son phone. I don't clear that one yesterday. On go yata. And then can't wa be ye every time na we. Brother, you can lie you. No concern me o. After all, mosaga vedere. You know be ko ewe. I know. Well, leave me. Okay, leave me. We no need to talk everything one day. Yeah, where go where your money, even you know where tawe. Because this guy really, he too underrates me. Oh. If we did talk with Sylvia said we Sylvia said we and I give her that picture of the Sylvia said we I'm not lying. In ye that way, even to the extent when you not have me, ye Kevin have your way, Sylvia setting. That was the picture. Ni mama where Jesse setting. I become like this today. Oh, but when I was, I'm not only on my wake, no, no, me that IQ of collecting something. We omani deg be setting. Enyi no mo vo wehin. Aga gbokpa no pa no do uya e wo my dan. I must be viva ko gbe. Oma ka me rest of mine. Oh my people, make I just sleep now. Those na where they cause I still repeat. But imaso ni mo rokpa. Wa ti e bo, wakakabo ya kayage wodropu wa re ne, wakakabo ya ge. Wakakabo wa is it about he said the girl no send the girl no close to wa make na bege because he made it Facebook now for him be mami no dey close to wa he said the girl and no do here you wa WhatsApp wa do that okay boniti seri ya ge ho wa you but then you on that one not be my major issue oh wa ni ro ni wa ro oh, I don't get a show with you. If Franco here do I me poto yasin no wa. My issue for his side no wa concerning me. Oh why? O mwe bango me o muni ye kevi. Me na ve mo ye kevi na ve mo the phone no ge. On your pa. You know that sister we de Genova. That sister we de Genova we get 5 children. We get big bulls. Will you show me for a side tray? The day when me and you they gossip Mama Kevi. You know come show me Mama Kevi. I did me where a corner anybody know a fresh near translating a corner. So we just want to discuss. I dey side tray with her. You man why we are this to where training na ye la ye Genova. Now what we are with Genova na wo am work pani gbe odo. Now you get the picture. No we may vione. Now when you get the picture, or why I get the pictures. Now if you see the girl, the lady boss. Now me now we nobody where you dey date we not get front. We no now. Now okay. Show me all of them one by one. This guy show me about 3 to 4 pictures. We be say different people will be say I don't collect. He refused to send me show me Mama Kevi picture to see how corner this guy is. Oh mama picture de Kevi mame. I love ina gear. Enough in the face ina mo when you are ina gear kwawe. Guy, you do kwajo. You show me all the lady where you be say you the year finish. You the long. You show me everything about them. Why you not come show me Mama Kevi? You say you get Mama Kevi now. Wait, now show me now. You can't go show me the one with this Mama Kevi for wear something. The breast did the show, but the breast no show finish like that. So inside my mind, I laugh. A guy, man, this guy, one guy yo. Guy man, where he mean that guy yo no way. I laugh. Well, so this guy. No, he don't know. Say I don't get everything. He show me everybody, oh. He refused to show me Mama Kevi, oh. He want show me Mama Kevi, oh. Come go, they show me the one where he be say, if he wear shirt, oh. You know when you want to try, say, this man now, this kind of thing. The woman he wear shirt, but the thing comes to the show. And I say, now let this one you get. He say, yes, now let this one get. Okay, oh, congratulations. No, where me ya women. I just wanted to see whether but it was so fast to show me about 3 ladies. Oh, it was so fast to show me. I beg, let me leave you guys. I beg, investor. 2020. No. Yes. You know this guy, all the months, all the years we will take date. He dey always dey complain. He go say, me no dey send down something. I know dey send down. Because I know the kind person wey he be. And if I want to send down something, I'm gonna ask him whether he get my pickles. Error. I no send down. To the essence, even reports me to my former friend, because right now, Magiko. I don't know why I be yamo makawe. Magiko. Anyhow, we hammer with wages. You will know somebody they decide to talk to you. My guy, Magiko. In fact, imagine. He come the day when he called me. He considered that my former Orwan where Isiviana Yawa go egwan. He know the open stuff for me. And I say I knock the open because he setting. He just see the complaint that day. He just see the complaint. I can't send down. Not even na Christmas period that day. I can't send down. The one way really vex me for inside though. I can't send down. As I send down my front, it can't go in the front when I send down. Oh no, ya moye. What's up, Kevin? Why they make me very or not? I pity Mama Kevin. I go pity her, but I not go pity Mama Kevin. I'm not sure because all those one and the Mama Kevin will like a live video. I pick up a yarom from a phone, a yarom from a phone. Woman, I pick away a phone. It's a woman not supposed to throw shit to war, another woman like that. I pick up was sent the other for me, a yarom phone, a yarom phone. My beautiful mommy, Susie. My orgasm mommy. Mommy only ya remember now. Ya we get to read me no wrong phone. Even though ya defending. If I see the upper of your own, you only call a brother no rage me by that. If it's very name, but I just look and see only when I am my bojo. Only see. Only ya remember now. Enemy. Woman no sleep yere lazian. Woman no tawe my opponent. For this Facebook, now you find trouble pass. Okay, go ali man, go alo here. If a man on platform where if you see that person for another platform, you must find everything by thing to draw the person comment. For like 6 months now, I avoid this guy. If I want to go comment for another person platform, sometimes I know they even use my real account. Sometimes I will still use fake account. Say, me this guy, me no say na me. Me no say na me. Oh, we know. But Becky no, imaye fake account ya live. Immediately one me Becky by this lady OTT do something like that. Even okay Salome. Even okay Salome. Guy, they live live life like that now. Anybody who don't feel make friend with you, allow the person to make friend with other people. Allow the person to make friend with other people. You know me say I make friend with you. The thing no work. I go come dey very afraid to go on another person platform. Sometimes, Papa, if you ever go dey do something very funny, I go dey there. I go dey inside my house. I go just delay instead of me to put that emoji of laugh. Say me tell no say wetin me continue say wetin they talk they make person laugh. But he said it because he ain't look good. The way platform as mommy let not lead. What you see la dia mommy let not lead. You not do this guy anything or the other way. If you not see where necessary mommy let not lead no transferring in that way. The woman don't to step on toes. Yes, the woman don't see step. Yes, I see some video ne we have violence where you ma wear me give me no time. You ma wear me ogbemene. You ma wear me ogbemene. Me will stay neutral for everything for the blogging when I do. If I carry your video, I want to talk about it. I go just dey fair. See what it is one. Even I'm here catch up by what he give one what he go loud because me when he answer. Now do yata where this will not be a double way can they cost me. ouais ya gagné ya sur et plateforme ni et ben qui veut moi particulier Facebook presenter orienté jamais sur de ya fiu et vidéo ne be qui you phone no be you tell me I using a grow page. The video we back don't fit insult people that time we dey with you no be you tell me I go the blog the video. I go use and give you. I can't put the thing for my platform. Boy. I go delete them. Because I not be person like that. I go delete them. You go say you don't know what you dey advise Mama Kevin for the SARS. Mama Kevin will just want blow. Wait, one particular person no mure, no gbe. I get the audio. Mama Kevin, you never talk to me, oh. But as your husband, I know, so you get the right to tell us. So we honai, oh no wage you me you down, makame. So we honai no down I. What am I very oni? If I go yare. You have according to this lady. Oh, we have vaccinated. You have vaccinated. Oh, happy me. Oh, we happy my way. Oh, happy my way. No matter can. But I way already rug my oh, I'm just a servant on Facebook. I can bring it out. Oh, it to see him be Facebook. Yeah. I can just bring the thing out. Well, okay, we're gonna give it you. My yafe feni redo we ni ikiana have a berry man. Na mai have a berry. Obuna ma be na mai berry. Wage so we do related that wa. We do berry. We very the queue. Yes, mabun. Mabun. Ani mani bunoro ni. Evidence ro. Mawabun. Na ebe ona no vio kan e no vio kan content the word they no say no na onu ya no ba wo ni ase ko gbe and content the word they no say no na gwa le second wife second motion we na ya mo e kan condemn ayon ni do ya me ya second motion. I agree for everything because I was looking for something from your hands because me man I agree. We say to Gimela Wenia, the man agree. We may get access to all those things. Nani me because we know what I mean. We know do I go. We may I go take get time. For my own advice to everybody, even to say me, I know say I be mumu. We make me even date you. For the others, mumu will be like me. Mona be careful. And mona check on heart very well. If una know what I can, I must say David yeah. Why ya got tie be mase man di mase yan tie why na no go dey call my by your swear o wa kaya ge ko wa ge ne if not ise de go no dey close to wa no wa dori e you wa do mote WhatsApp because the WhatsApp e do mote no wa ya ge ko wa ge ya ge oh no concern me o mana be gun me gun I no go sit down meet people we new una ye ke vi gwegun awo mo bon ma biye mo bono iya do je oro ya do ya sini wa ya fefefe waga o ne yoro sini wa ya wa gwegun igu egun all those things for like 6 months abi 7 months it dey with me but the only person who worry now well okay oh me use and do what you want use and do to clear your name because no matter what or igbo ma very on it you go get standard. And while you know, you continue to insist when you know. Me, I even call WhatsApp, I can't even talk. Your wife say, okay, to me. You know, when your pa, you what that thing we na. You know what that thing we no put no more by a brother no Gemini, na that Gemini that brother day. No, where other thing we no more by mommy. So work it to work very with me. I get the audio. Anyway, time me go get to work me. Okay, I just leave now. Who tells you? Thank you, Frank. I don't want to make sure your name. Frank, wedding anyway. Thank you. You know, since when this boy begin they poke me, make I all the video where don't mention my name. I download everything down. You know, since when this one not be one, not be two, not be three, not be four. The one we can't do yesterday, we make am five. I not just want to be say because when you are as we back in us or we back your son. As you have a moment, Lord did not or when moment Lord did your son. I avoid this guy to the extent need the way a do blog or son, a do blog or son, a do blog or son. I in a year I will be oh we know. I go take on easy now. You can say that again. You can say yeah, everything I go like me. I mean, I know person will be say go finally come beat this guy last. Yeah, my bag be money, my bag be man. Because my WhatsApp, I know the way things they solve. He don't say where this guy they find me. He don't say. He don't say where they find me. He don't say. If you know they let me they comment, I'll comment for Mommy Susie. If you want control words, go give Mommy Susie enemy. You go use style. I know the person. He just want bring a double block come out by all means. I know they first of all. If you not go down my video, I don't fair use my real face they blog before. I know they hide. I can remember vividly say I never really insult anybody for this Edo blog. I know they use insult for my blogging, and I know they carry the one where they say they insult children because I did against that one. Even as I avoid this guy, some saga go there will be say in with somebody go do, which you have a platform in now. I go use and get like $5 or $6. But because of that one, I don't want to carry video where they say insult and I don't want to carry the one where they insult person for like 6 months. Anybody they really follow a double una go no say me ya my video or guidance or say 5 to 4 months ago, 5 to 6 months ago. I avoid this guy. I just that when me or does when walo. Hey guys, let me just leave you people. I touch igualo here. I touch. I'm a touch the by a letter igualo here. You still get one when I know now. Maybe do only by the list. Or why we make one sharp anyone that we discover now. Maybe do only by the list. I beg you. Thank you, Frank Edide. Thank you. Be like say you they follow up. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you guys. So we're going to watch it back anything or what Sony is Sylvia wa anyway or what Sony is Sylvia aka do block lao. If although I not put my phone number for my platform, but I was sending you my messenger. I dey read all my messenger message. I dey read all of them. Was sending you or anybody we know me, Mona we talk about them. And my personal people we dey inside we get my correct lie. Babe, you know yourself. Just we allow your girl. Say hey, don't set so that I cannot go forget. Pass. I'm not sure say that question on me. Hey guys, might leave you. I'll come out. I want to go do something. Today no Monday. I go wake my guy or make him go school. My sister, you can say that again. Even inside all those things, I still dey pity for her. Even though sometimes you no deserve her, you no deserve the pityness. So, we dey tell ourselves the truth because so why you no go pity her. You no go pity her. Sometimes I can't even imagine say, and my hair mood been last. That one they show now. That's really good morning. Hey guys, my leave on I might go wake my guy, me go school. Now thank you guys. Thank you, investor. Thank you. Thank everyone. Thank you, my mommy Susie. Mommy Lala, Ale Romeo. Did you even go at Bolo me bana? Babe, little me. Lao. Okay, my people. I will see. I want to go prepare my guy, me go school. Ciao.